Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing on how to create account deletion request URL or form, which is a requirement by Google Play Console for app upload. So recently Google is requiring all apps to submit an account deletion request form or URL during their upload to the data section. So to fix this is a quick fix. So we'll be making use of Google Forms, which is free. You can just head on to forms.google.com. So once you open it, you click on blank form, and then you can populate it with the data you want to create. I will be putting the link to this sample folder so that you can recreate it on your own. All you need to do is once you click the link on your own end, you make sure you are logged into your Google account. Click on these three buttons here, click on make a copy, right? So you can change the name. You remove this, you change the name to whatever name you want to use. So you click on make a copy, and click on make a copy. It will give you this interface here. Once you have this interface here, you can change the name to whatever name of the app. You change the name here to the name of the app that you want to create the deletion request form for. You change this place to the name of the app too. Change it to the name of the app. Let's say X and O app, or video editor app, you understand, or vidmates, whatever name of app that your app is being called. So you put all this as requirement. You can also add questions. You can set it to multi-choice, drop down, whatever from here. So once you are done here, you save. You can see all saves have been changed. Then you can click on preview, and then to show you how it will look like at the user end. So they can fill in the questions, put in their email address, put in the phone number used in registration. You can update this at your end. Then they can choose final communication. Yes, I want to delete my account, and then click on submit. Do like and share. Also, do not forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful.